Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Young adventurers, we will immerse you in the delightful world of a root beer float. Find a comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey, where you will savor the sweetness and joy of a root beer float. Are you ready to indulge your senses? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a cozy, sunlit kitchen, surrounded by the comforting aromas of vanilla ice cream and fizzy root beer. Picture a tall, frosty glass filled to the brim with creamy goodness, topped with a generous scoop of velvety vanilla ice cream. Feel a sense of anticipation as you pick up the glass and take a sip, allowing the cool, fizzy liquid to tickle your taste buds. As you savor the first sip, feel the sweetness dance across your tongue, bringing an instant smile to your face. Imagine the flavors mingling together, creating a perfect harmony of creamy and bubbly. Allow the sensation to spread throughout your body, bringing a sense of pure joy and delight. Visualize the velvety vanilla ice cream as it slowly melts into the root beer, creating swirls of creamy goodness. Feel the texture and richness of the ice cream as it combines with the effervescence of the root beer. Let the sensation of each sip fill you with warmth and comfort. As you continue to indulge in your root beer float, take a moment to appreciate the simple pleasures it brings. Reflect on the memories and experiences associated with this delightful treat. Perhaps it reminds you of family picnics, summer afternoons, or special celebrations. Allow yourself to bask in those cherished moments and the happiness they bring. SB. A second equals 5E. Pause. Imagine yourself sharing a root beer float with a loved one or a friend. Experience the joy of connection and shared laughter as you enjoy this delicious treat together. Feel the bonds of friendship and love strengthening with each sip, creating lasting memories that warm your heart. SB. A second equals 5E. Pause. Take a moment to express gratitude for the experience of enjoying a root beer float. Give thanks for the sweetness it brings to your life and the joy it sparks within you. Appreciate the simple pleasures that can brighten your day and bring a smile to your face. Take a moment to imagine yourself in a vibrant soda shop, with its retro charm and nostalgic atmosphere. Picture the old-fashioned bar stools, the checkered floor, and the sound of cheerful conversations all around. Feel the excitement and anticipation in the air. As you watch the soda jerk prepare your root beer float with precision and care. As you lift the glass to your lips for another sip, allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Notice the coolness of the glass against your fingertips, and the gentle fizz of the bubbles on your tongue. Feel the soothing sensation as the root beer glides down your throat, refreshing and revitalizing you from within. Visualize the creamy foam on top of your root beer float, creating a luscious layer that entices you to take another sip. As you do, let the flavors linger on your taste buds, allowing you to fully appreciate the subtle hints of vanilla and the effervescence of the soda. Feel the satisfaction and contentment that come from indulging in this delightful treat. As you continue to enjoy your root beer float, let your mind wander to the happy memories associated with it. Perhaps it reminds you of carefree summer days, or family gatherings where everyone gathered around the table to share laughter and stories. Let those memories fill you with a sense of warmth and nostalgia. Take a moment to reflect on the simple pleasures that bring you joy and comfort. Just like the root beer float, these moments can provide a sense of happiness and relaxation amidst the busyness of life. Embrace the lesson of finding joy in the little things, and allow it to guide you in seeking happiness in everyday experiences. SB. A second equals 5E. Pause as you near the end of your root beer float. Savor the last few sips, knowing that you have fully embraced the experience. Express gratitude for this moment of indulgence, for the taste, the memories, and the happiness it has brought you. Take a deep breath and let a sense of contentment fill your heart. As you slowly open your eyes, carry the essence of the root beer float with you. Let it remind you to slow down, savor the sweetness of life, and find joy in the simplest of pleasures. Treasure the experience of this guided meditation, and allow it to inspire you to create more moments of delight and indulgence in your everyday life. And you're ready? Gently open your eyes, bringing the sweetness and satisfaction back with you. Carry the spirit of the root beer float in your heart, allowing it to remind you to see joy in the little things and to appreciate the moments of indulgence that come your way. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.